Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about one example problem on inversion and signature of a permutation in group theory of discrete mathematics course. In the previous video, we are already solved one example problem in one method. Now in this video, we have to discuss about one more example problem on the same topic with a different technique. Okay, the given problem is, let sigma be a permutation that can be defined in this way on the set G is equal to set of 1 to 6. Find out the inversion and signature of permutation sigma. Okay. So, for finding out the inversion, first we have to take the pairs 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 and 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Next 4, 5, 4, 6. Next we have to take the 5, 6. Okay. First, we have to take the pair. Take the pair 1, 2. Okay. Here, one image is 2, two image is 4. Okay. Now, we have to find out the difference between these elements of this pair. So that is 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. We are also find out the difference between 2 and 4. 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So both are containing the negative values. So whenever the difference between these two elements is a negative result, the difference between these two elements is also a negative result. Okay, both are negative results. Hence, we can say that 1, 2 is a regular pair. Is a regular pair, and it is not an inversion. It is not an inversion. Okay. Next, I am taking the pair. Take the pair 1, 3. Okay. So one image is 2, 3 image is 1. Okay. The difference is 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Here one result is negative result, one result is positive result. Hence, we can say that 1, 2, 1, 3 is a irregular pair. Irregular pair. So the irregular pair is called an inversion. It is an inversion. A regular pair is not an inversion and irregular pair is an inversion. Okay, when we can say that 1, 3 is a irregular pair, so the difference between the pair of elements is negative result here. The difference between these pair of elements is a positive result. One result is negative and one result is positive. Okay. So hence we can say that this pair 1, 3 is a irregular pair and it can be called as an inversion. Okay. Next I am taking the pair. Take the pair 1, 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. One image is 2 and 4 image is 3. Okay. So 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Both are containing the negative result. So therefore 1 comma 4 is a regular pair, and it is not an inversion. It is not an inversion. Next, I am taking the pair 1 comma 5. Take the pair 1 comma 5. Okay. Here 1 image is 2, 5 image is 6. Here find out the difference. 1 minus 5 is a minus 4 and 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Both are containing the negative result. So therefore 1 comma 5 is a regular pair. Because of that reason is not an inversion. Next I am take the pair 1 comma 6. Take the pair 1 comma 6. Okay. So 1 image is 2, 6 image is 5. Okay. So here the difference 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Both are containing the negative result. Okay. So hence we can say that 1 comma 6 is not an inversion because it is a regular pair. Okay. Next. So with 1 all combinations are completed. 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Now we can go for 2 comma 3. Take the pair 2 comma 3. Okay. So here 2 image is 4, 3 image is 1. Okay. So the difference 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So here one result is negative result and one result is positive result. So therefore the pair 2 comma 3 is an irregular pair. And it is not an inversion. Because it is an irregular pair. Each and irregular pair is called as an inversion. Next 2 comma 4. Take the pair 2 comma 4. Here 2 image is 4, 4 image is 3. The difference is 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. One result is negative result and one result is positive result. Hence we can say that 2 comma 4 is the irregular pair. Therefore 2 comma 4 is called an inversion. Okay. Next we can go for the pair 2 comma 5. Take the pair 2 comma 5. Okay. 2 image is 4, 4 image is 3. Okay. So then difference between 2 and minus 5 is equal to minus 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay. Both are containing the different sign result. So therefore 2 comma 5 is called as an irregular pair. Hence we can say that 2 comma 5 is an inversion. Okay. Next, I am taking the pair. Take the pair 2, 6. Okay. So here 2 image is 4, 6 image is 5. So here 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Both are containing the negative result. So therefore 2, 6 is not an inversion because 2, 6 is a regular pair. Okay. So now 2, 3 completed, 2, 4 completed, 2, 5 completed, 2, 6 completed. Next we have to take the pair 3, 4. Take the pair 3, 4. Okay. 3 image is 1 and 4 image is 3. Okay. So here the difference is 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Both are negative results. So therefore 3, 4 is not an inversion because 3, 4 is a regular pair. Okay. Next I am taking the pair 3, 5. Take the pair 3, 5. Okay. So 3 image is 1, 5 image is 6. Okay. The difference is 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Both are containing the negative result. So therefore 3, 5 is not an inversion. Is not an inversion because it is a irregular pair. Okay. Last one 3, 6. Take the pair 3, 6. 3 image is 1 and 6 image is 5. Okay. The difference is 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. So both results are negative results and same results. Hence we can say that 3, 6 is a regular pair. So is 3, 6 is not an inversion. So with element 3, 3, 4 completed, 3, 5 completed, 3, 6 completed. Now we can go for 4. So take the pair 4, 5. Okay. So 4 image is 3, 5 image is 6. The difference is 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. Both are negative results. Hence we can say that 4, 5 is a regular pair. So that 4, 5 is not an inversion. Next one. Take the pair 4, 6. Here 4 image is 3, 6 image is 5. The difference between these two elements 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. The difference between these two elements 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Both are negative results. Okay, hence we can say that 4, 6 is a regular pair. Hence we can say that 4, 6 is not an inversion. Okay. Next, I am taking the element 5. 5 is combined with 6. So that is take the pair 5, 6. Take the pair 5 comma 6. Okay. So 5 image is 6. 6 image is 5. Okay. The difference between 5 and 6 is 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. The difference between 6 and 5 is 6 minus 5 is equal to plus 1. Both are containing the different results. Here positive result, here negative result. So therefore 5 comma 6 is a irregular pair, is an irregular pair, and 5 comma 6 is an inversion, Okay. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6 completed. 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6 completed. 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6 is completed. 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6 is completed. 5 comma 6 is completed. Okay. So among all the pairs, which pairs are irregular pairs? That pairs can be called as an inversion of a permutation sigma. Okay. Therefore, the inversions of permutation sigma are 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4 and 5 comma 6 pairs. Next one, signature of permutation sigma. Signature of permutation sigma is denoted by SGN of sigma. Okay. So therefore SGN of sigma is nothing but total number of inversions of a permutation sigma. How many number of inversions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore signature of permutation sigma is equal to total number of inversions of permutation sigma. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. So this is, in this way we have to find out the signature of permutation sigma. Once we are finding out the inversions of permutation sigma, from that one we have to find out the signature of permutation sigma. Okay. So how many number of pairs we are getting from permutation sigma? So the inversions are 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4 and 5 comma 6. How many number of pairs are there? 4 pairs are there. These 4 pairs are called as an signature of sigma. Therefore, signature of sigma is equal to total number of pairs of permutation sigma. That is equal to 4. Okay. So, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. Please like this video. Please comment this video and please subscribe my channel name. So, DIVVELA Srinivasa Rao.